watched some International Nations League football over the weekend. I saw Mexico, Panama, the USA, Canada from CONCACAF, plus top European teams, Italy, Germany, England, Spain, all involved in some dramatic games. Now, there is a theory abound that Champions League club football is way better than international football in terms of quality. The theory is that football clubs buy and bring many top players to the clubs, while international players can only represent the country they qualify to represent. So club football is way better. I don't see it though. The level and quality of international football, including this window, is no less than the round of 16 of the Champions League. It's a myth that club football is way superior to international football. And not just the Nations League, but the second round and beyond of the World Cup, to my mind, is just as good or even better than any club football. And that's all.